Hello and greetings from Sangam 18, which marks the 10th anniversary of the Sangam conferences. As you can hear, we are just wrapping up, and my name is Markus Michalewicz. It was my fourth Sangam, so I started in Sangam 2015, and what enticed me to come back for all the 4 years was the interest, the excitement, the enthusiasm that I saw in these conferences. People come together not only for the sessions, but to mingle, to meet people, to interact and meet new friends. Now that said, I was lucky enough to have 4 sessions during Sangam 18, and I was able to talk about my products, which I care for because I'm a product manager with Oracle. And I talked about RAC, I talked about Sharding, I talked about MAA, but I also was able to talk about Oracle DBA skills to have, obtain, and nurture, which shows that Sangam conferences are more than technical conferences. They're really about community, they're really about coming together, expanding your skill set, may it be technical, may it be hard, may it be on technology. And that's why I love coming here, coming back. In one of the sessions I gave at Sangam 18, where I was talking about real application clusters and the roadmap for new features. There are other sessions I was giving, but let me give you an idea of the type of session I'm presenting here at Sangam. It was a very technical session because it dealt with new features in Oracle Real Application Clusters, RAC. But I also gave an overview of where we are heading with RAC. So you get not only what's best and what's available today, but you get also an overview and a roadmap where this technology is heading. Let me give you an example. I announced that Oracle Real Application Clusters is now 5 times faster for high contention workload. At the same time, we reduced our brownout when something happens in the cluster by 4 times between 11.204 and 12.0 release 2. If you extend this, we were actually 6 times faster between 11.204 and 18C. Now these numbers I gave away, and I explained as well which technology, which features led to such a huge leap, such a huge jump between those versions. I gave an explanation of why our brownout has been able to be reduced so much between these versions to the degree that we actually could deprecate features that we thought we need to have otherwise. And also the roadmap will be very interesting for you, because not only do you know what features we have today, but you also get to see where we are heading with Oracle RAC. So one idea I gave away is that we may be able to get rid of shared disk requirements, because we are looking into non-volatile memory as storage per server. These are all ideas that I gave away, explained and discussed, and that all you could have heard at Sangam 18. So this year we were in Bangalore. We are leaving now after having had a little 10th anniversary cake. And I wish you all happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and a perfect 2019 with Sangam coming up again. Thank you.